Dear student of class 8, today we are going to start MT chapter 8 Civic Sense. Civic sense comprise of different set of duties and responsibilities that must be followed by the inhabitants of a locality. During these duties and bearing such responsibilities are the mark of a civilized society. A proper civic sense help us to live in a healthy and beautiful environment. Perhaps you we are aware that every citizen enjoys some right as well as some duties. If we have the right of living in a healthy environment with clean drain, clean dustbin, good supply of drinking water, it is also our duty not to throw the garbage into drain, waste the water, etc. If we do not do our duties properly, our right will not be fulfilled. It is said that Indians have less civic sense than other people in the world. Due to the lack of proper education and culture, we have not developed good civic sense. In India, a large portion of population live in cities. This part of our population enjoy properly properly maintained road, good electricity, good water supply and proper sanitary arrangement. A municipal corporation is entrusted with the duties of providing these civic amenities to the citizen residing in the area falling under its jurisdiction. As its duty, the municipal corporation arrange for the proper light in the street, cleaning of the road and street as well as the drain and the proper supply of drinking water. But what we do? We throw our household garbage either on the street or to their neighbor premises, waste water and electricity by not using them properly, spit here and there, etc. And think that the municipal corporation will clean them as it is their duty, but we never consider it that for making all these arrangements the municipal corporation have to expense enough sum of money. A lot of people have to be employed to make these facilities available to the people regularly. These employees are paid their due salary at time. The municipal corporation get partial grant from the government to meet out these expenditure. These grants are not enough to meet out all the expenditure, so the corporation have to impose tax on the people for availing all these facilities. Tax like house tax and water tax are meant to ensure the proper maintenance of civics facilities. So, this is our duty to pay our taxes on time and help to keep our surrounding clean by throwing garbages in dustbin, by using water and electricity properly, by not spitting here and there, do not by not destroying the public properties, and more plant more and more trees. Remember, the civic amenities provided to us aim at the betterment of our life. To provide these amenities regularly, a lot of people have to take pain every day. If we cooperate them fully as per the guideline, as per our due, as per if we cooperate them fully, we will help our helper to make our life really comfortable. If we do not cooperate fully, it is us along with us, our fellow resident, who will have to bear the consequences of the failure of municipal corporation to provide us with all the civic amenities, just as a good citizen are a prerequisite for a good nation. Good resident are a prerequisite for a good locality, village, town, or city. So make it a habit to pay for tax in due time and keep our surrounding in and out clean. This is about your chapter. Thank you.